Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a fire warning at the request of Hutchinson County Office of Emergency Management for southwestern Hutchinson and southeastern Moore counties. At 2:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous wildfire was located 5 miles northeast of Lake Meredith, or 12 miles west of Borger, moving rapidly northeast at 3 to 5 miles per hour. Areas impacted. Bugbee Community. Additional information: smoke and fire will present a threat to life and property. The main impacted area is the Bugbee Community and may affect Federated States of Micronesia, 3395, room 1319 and spur 687. Be prepared to evacuate quickly if requested and follow all safety instructions from local emergency management officials. Do not drive into smoke.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.